Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Before moving to video, do subscribe our channel for more interesting videos. Today we will learn about common English words with meanings. Serene, meaning calm, peaceful and untroubled. Benevolent, meaning kind and generous. Majestic, meaning having grandeur and dignity, impressive. Diligent, meaning showing care and effort in your work. Eloquent, meaning fluent or persuasive in speaking or writing. Fragile, meaning easily broken or damaged. Industrious, meaning hardworking and diligent. Jubilant, meaning feeling or expressing great joy. Luminous, meaning emitting or reflecting light, shining. Abundant, meaning existing in large quantities, plentiful. Oblivious, meaning unaware of what is happening around you. Resilient, able to withstand or recover from difficult conditions. Trepidation, meaning a feeling of fear or agitation about something that may happen. Hit the bell icon to never miss any update. Thank you so much for watching.